Click on the link below to get price. The CORSAIR Vengeance DDR5 64GB 2x32GB RAM kit stands out as a high-performance memory solution tailored for both gamers and content creators seeking optimal speed and reliability. With its impressive specifications of 6000MHz clock speed and a low latency of CL30, this RAM promises to enhance system performance significantly. Right out of the box, the installation process is straightforward. The DIMMs fit snugly into the motherboard slots, and once powered on, the Vengeance modules are recognized instantly. The sleek design with a black heat spreader provides not only functional cooling but also an aesthetically pleasing look, especially for those who build systems with RGB lighting. The subtle yet modern design can easily fit into any build without overwhelming other components. Performance-wise, the RAM excels in various benchmarks. Whether running demanding applications, multitasking, or playing the latest AAA games, the responsiveness and speed improvements are palpable. With 64GB capacity, it effectively handles memory-intensive tasks like video editing, 3D rendering, and gaming at high settings without any hitches. The boost in memory bandwidth translates into faster load times and smoother gameplay, making it an ideal choice for both gamers and professionals. Additionally, the support for AMD Expo and Intel XMP profiles streamlines overclocking, allowing users to maximize performance effortlessly. These features ensure that the RAM can be tuned to reach its full potential without requiring intricate manual adjustments. One notable aspect is the stability of the Vengeance DDR5 kit. It operates reliably under heavy workloads, maintaining performance without overheating, thanks to efficient thermal management. Overall, the CORSAIR Vengeance DDR5 64GB RAM kit is a stellar investment for anyone looking to future-proof their system. The combination of high capacity, impressive speed, and reliable performance makes it a top choice in the competitive landscape of DDR5 memory.